The highlighted word before is a subordinating conjunction which joins a subordinate clause, I spoke, to the main clause, I listened. Correlative conjunctions exercises. Question 1. Differentiate between the correlative conjunctions and other conjunctions used in the below given sentences. A. He is a student, but his brother is a teacher. B. Just as he speaks Hindi fluently, so does he speak English. C. Because you're late, you'll not be allowed to enter. Both teaching and learning are good activities. He is such a handsome boy that everyone likes him. Question 2. Use the appropriate correlative conjunctions in the blank spaces in the following sentences. Answers. He is neither a teacher nor a student. B. She is such a beautiful girl that no one hates her. C. No sooner the teacher came than the students stood up.